god, I'm so sorry. My hair's a mess, and I know that. I cut it myself. um, but yes. Ooh, I'm sorry. Nice clean close up though. Um, Nothing's really happening except this one. She's like biting my nails. I have to cut my nails. I also have an appointment. You know, my first blood test after being on team. But yes, I just know like, I generally did not think I would actually make it. You know, this far. Like I never thought I'd, you know, die while I do TPT. I always thought I'd be pre-T. You know, like I said, I'm suicidal, like extremely suicidal. I'm like, you know, I'm just happy that I get to do this thing that I've been waiting for my whole life, you know? Ever since I came out, I was thinking like, what, middle school? I was like 12, 11. Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to show them a trick? Do you think you want to fly now? To go to your friends? Let's see if she does this. You ready? Go. Okay, I guess she didn't want to do it. She wants to stay with me. She loves her daddy. What can I say? I'm lovable. This is why I have no friends except her. You understand? She can't leave me. You got no choice. But yeah. Also, I can't believe I actually like started making friends via FetLife. Like, I really never thought I'd like meet people. I just got I met like a cool group of people though. Which sucks, cause like, okay, right, big thing. If you're watching this currently, how old do I look right now, right? Because the people in FetLife, you know, I told them I was 18, and they were like, I look younger than 18, and I'm over here like, how? Because everyone that's my age, that used to be my group of friends, thinks now that I look, can't eat the paper, you silly, you buffoon, you complete moron. They think that I look like I'm 22 years old plus that, right? Because I know this one guy, he said that if I had the salt and pepper hair, because I used to dye my hair gray, and if I had like the streaks instead of dyeing it whole gray, and if I didn't speak because my voice gives it away, she pooped, guys. Oh my god. Let me get that. Okay. Right? Okay, so they said I can pass as 40 as long as I didn't open up my mouth, because my mouth dead gives it away that I'm like, I sound 5. Okay? What are you trying to say? Trying to say I look old too? I mean, I am your father, so. Yeah, you're so poofy. What are you gonna say? She's like, I don't have to say anything. You just want my food? She wants my Szechuan cooking sauce. You cannot have any. It's not good for you. Cannot have any. But yeah, so like I said, there's like nothing really going on. I mean, like I'm just playing Minecraft all by my lonesome. Also, I finally downloaded Raid Shadow Legends. So far, it's a good game. I didn't proceed that far. I think I'm on like level 2. Like I just finished the tutorial last night and stuff like that. So I might continue that as well. But yes, I think that is it because I don't want to like drag it out. Oh yeah, back to my point. Like I said, how old do I look? Because like it's so freaking frustrating. Cause I either get like I look like I'm 15 or I look like I'm 25, and it's like hold on, those are 2 different ends of the spectrum. What the fuck do I look like? You know, that's all I want to know. That's all I want to know. Okay, but yeah, otherwise that's it. Okay, stay rad.